I cannot wait to meet you again. Hold on to your name, I won't forget. Time will reveal if the letters we've sent come to life. Many years passed since I first saw you. We're still in touch, can't believe it's true. I'm falling for you and I hope you're falling for me. Innocent like a lamb, strong and tall like the mountain. Your overwhelming love has saved me from myself. Innocent like a lamb, strong and tall like the mountain. Your overwhelming love has saved me from myself. Together in trust is how we stand. A firm grip of your hand is all I ask. The future will bring what the past has promised to do.